Hello and welcome to Just Learn Python. This is Python tutorial for beginners. This is part 16 of this series and we are learning lists. We are learning lists in multi-part videos. In the last video we have learned about some methods of lists. In this video we are going to continue that with some more methods and built-in functions. In this video we are going to cover two methods of lists, that is reverse and sort, and also we are going to look at built-in functions reversed and sorted on lists. First we will look at reverse. The syntax is list.reverse and it takes two optional parameters, that is key and reverse. Reverse is the items of a list. This method reverses the list items in place, that means it modifies the original list. Let us look at an example. So now here we have numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 as elements of list, and we are applying numbers dot reverse, and after that we are going to print numbers. Let us run this code. So we have the reverse list 60, 50, 40 and so on. So notice here we are not assigning whatever we are calling here, the numbers dot reverse, we are not assigning to any other variable. So what happens if we do that? Let us comment this and I am going to uncomment this. So here the numbers dot reverse is called and the return value is assigned to a new variable reverse list. So we are going to print that. So it says none. So you have to remember, whenever you are going to apply numbers dot reverse, you should not assign it to a variable because it always returns a none value. So whenever you want to do in place reverse, just call that and after that use that list, because it is a in place reverse. Original list is getting modified. Similarly, we have a reversed built-in function returns an iterator with values reversed. So it takes a sequence as an argument. So now in this example we have numbers 10, 20, 30, 50, 60. These are the elements of the list and we are going to call reverse passing list to the built-in function, and we are going to assign the return value. In this case we are going to assign the return value to a new variable, that is reverse list, that we are going to print here. Let us see that it actually returns a iterator, and after that we are going to convert this into a list and we are going to print the original list. Let us run this code. So here at first this is the list, and then we are going to call this reversed built-in function and we are passing the numbers, and then we are going to print the reverse list. So this is the first print statement here, iterator object. So then we have to convert it into a list to get the list object 60, 50, 40. This is the list, reverse list, after converting it into a list using built-in function list for that. And then we are going to check whether the original list is, whether it is modified or not. This returns a new iterator object. Now we have sort. The syntax of sort method is list.sort. It takes two arguments, key and reverse. Key is for sorting and the reverse is for order of sorting, whether it is ascending or descending. Default is ascending order. Sort sorts the list in place. Let us look at an example. Here we have numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 56, 6, 5 and 8. These are the elements of the list. We are going to apply. Notice we are just calling this. We are not assigning any return value to any variable, that you have to remember. Then after that we are going to print that here, a list sorted with ascending order. Now if we say reverse equal to true, one of the argument we are passing a value as true, default value is false, so in this case we are going to pass it as true. Sort that list in descending order from highest value to lowest value. Now we are going to look at sort method on strings. Now here we have colors red, black, pink, white and blue. These are the strings and we are going to call that sort method on colors, colors.sort. We are going to print that colors here. So we got black, blue, pink, red and white. This is alphabetically sorted. So suppose if you want to use key as a value and print it, I am going to print this. So let us comment this, or you can use a print statement on this. Let us run this. So now this sort takes two arguments, len built-in function, that is a key, and reverse, we are making it as false. It sorts the list in ascending order based on their length. Similarly, we have sorted built-in function. What it does is it returns a new sorted list from the items in an iterable. It takes iterable, key and reverse. These are the optional. Iterable is mandatory argument, key and reverse are optional parameters. Here is an example, colors red, black, pink, white and blue. We are going to print that sorted we are calling the built-in function and passing the list to that. So we get sorted list based on alphabetical. It's a new list. If you want to check, original list remains as it is. The original list is red, black, pink, white and blue. Here we are using len as a key using built-in function sorted on colors. It will sort the list based on length and alphabetical order. Now in this example, we are using both key and len and we are made it as reverse equal to true. Let's see what is the output. So here black, white, pink, blue and red based on the key as well as descending order. From first it will be length, then it will be alphabetical. Fine. So in this video we have learned how to use reverse and reversed, sort and sorted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel so that you will get notification whenever there is a new video is getting uploaded. Thank you for watching.